Alright, let's go on YouTube. Same as shit. You can hook up audio source to a projector. It's not audio inputs. Now this is a rare case of my something, but I bought this one for, it's a 3D one, which is kind of hard to find, but yeah, 3D projector, $210, and the one I wanted with audio ports is still now. So I found a way to do it. First off, what you're gonna have to do is this VGA adapter. You're going to buy a VGA to HDMI adapter, then plug in a 3.5 to the adapter. Now there are big box legs, but these are easier since you just plug them directly in and out. Like this one here. So from that point, you just connect white and red to the a soundbar, $50 to connect this. Now, how do you hook up your Xbox to projector without any audio ports? Well, it's an easy thing. Just use an optical cable right there and plug it into the back, and I will show you that working. Now, you cannot plug in an Xbox to this adapter. That'll work with cable, Roku. Now I am getting sound. As you can hear, I am getting sound on here. So, what I'm gonna do next is show you how you can hook up an analog camcorder to projector. So hold on. Okay, so I'm back. So what you're gonna do is have the camcorder plugged into power. You don't want to have it unplugged while you're trying to watch something or try to transfer it. No. Alright, I'm going to show you how to hook it up to a projector without audio ports. So first off, you're going to connect the yellow to the video input. Now, all projectors have this. If it doesn't, then you need to buy an adapter. So I got that in. Then we're going to want to plug in our white and red deletes to the back of here. Now unplug the current ones you have plugged in. Okay, sorry about that, I was in a knot. So, plug it into the back of your soundbar. Unplug two leads that it's plugged into now. Then connect the white, red the red on the back. Pretty common sense knowledge. Whoever doesn't know, to plug that and that. There's a problem. It's okay if it's bending like this. I haven't had any audio problems while the cords are slightly bent at all. Unless you're using a mic on Xbox, and I had to unplug everything and turn it back on. So guys, you're gonna change the input on there. You do is get our remote. And you see that as 3D and everything. So now I can press video on here. So it's searching. I can stay on one input. See, it shows it's good picture quality for television. It does work though on there. So there's video on here. It's searching. Let's see. Found NTSC. So we got that to work. There's now shooting an old tape. This hasn't been, it's on USB, but still. As you can see, the tape is now in the camcorder. What you're gonna do is push down. There's the problem with the CCD. I haven't gotten around to buying a head cleaner for that yet. I know I always rewind my tapes. And as you see, it is working. I'm trying not to show too much of this video. It is playing on here, just not good quality. As you can see, it's not This is just the quality of a mini DV camcorder. And I know it's a problem with the stuff on here, but still. Showing in blurry quality. As you can see. So, that's how. Oh, sound. Is this gonna cooperate? Oh! That explains it. Hit the. I don't want to unboot. As you can see, you can hear it. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.